This is Firing Squad that just finished up. Next, we're going to have a couple of rockets. The first one is Marksman Challenge, pack 24-4, Marksman Challenge. That was Marksman Challenge. Next up is Skybolt, the new item for 2016, Skybolt. Nice report, pretty effective. That is Skybolt. And as I mentioned earlier, we are bypassing small military paratrooper and skydiving, so Green Hope is the next one we'll be watching. It's a 200-shot Southern missile battery, Green Hulk. Great label. Very good green, a nice report for Green Hulk. Now we're on to the next page. This is a small 200-gram Stoked. 7-shot, pack 36-1. Stoked. This one is Stoked. Good performance for a small crew. Now we'll be moving on to the top 5 single tube. Now there's going to be a pack of 5 single shots. We like those for the customer who maybe doesn't have a lot of money, but they want something big right after either. Top 5 single tube. Very nice. We reworked this one and came in after the 4th of July last year. Eternal Destination. The 12-shot pack 24-1. Under our Hot Shot label, Eternal Destination. Next one on the list is a 9-shot 200-gram in our Patriotic series. This is Honest Abe by Hot Shot, pack 16-1. All right, as most of you know here, we try to incorporate the local culture into our fireworks. Whitetails is a 16-shot 200-gram, pack 24-1, along the same lines as Going Green and Redneck Tradition. Very beautiful balance. That was Whitetails. Additionally, we'll have another one this year called Jumbo Perch. Hopefully should arrive in the next month or so. Red, white, and blue bombs is the next one on the list. 16 shot, 12-1. Very American theme. Tiger Tank, 16 shot, 12-1 is next on the list. Tiger Tank. This next one, Fire, looks like a small 9-shot rack with the tube sticking out. We've had it for a few years, and one of my personal favorites, and I really like this one. This is Fire. On the next page, Supersonic, 25 shot, 12-1. Nice variety of effects here. Pretty ending to Supersonic. Another late one last year on our Hot Shot label. This is Go Big Purple by Hot Shot. 16 shot, 12-1. Magnificent color. We had them design that to our specifications. We're very happy. That was Go Big Purple. Kraken is another new one in this year from Dominator Fireworks. It is a 20-shot, 12-1. Good shelf space. This is a nice size case. Thick Brocade lines for good color and crackling. Very good. Wild Bear. This is a unique item. We've been trying to get in for a while and finally came off some table here a few months back. Wild Bear. I apologize. This is not Wild Bear. This is Good to Go. This is Good to Go, a 23-shot pancake by Brocade. Very pretty kick. We're going to try again to get wild bear. That is wild bear. Very good sound, especially with the wind pushing it away from us. That was wild bear. Now we'll be switching over to the artillery shells. The first one is color changing artillery. It was new last year. I believe it sold out about a week after the demo show. Color changing artillery. Here we go, color changing artillery. Very good. Blue to silver strobe. There's a variety within the kit. Okay, next is a Hail to the King. This is a 6-pack, 60-gram shell for those who might be able to splurge for the King of Kings. This shell, Hail to the King by Hot Shot. They hit hard, don't they? All right, moving on into the 350-gram section. This is Golden Rule by Hot Shot. It's a 12-shot item, packed 8/1. Beautiful item. Brocade with silver strobing tips. Golden Rule. Now we have American Soldier on the next page. 9-shot, 350 gram, pack 8/1. This is American Soldier. Wrecking Crew, the 7-shot, 6/1. This is one of my personal picks. I really like smaller shot caliber with the bigger guns. That was Wrecking Crew. Next is Rhapsody. This is a new one from 2016. Over one. Kind of built like a Southern Missile Dragon. A little bit taller. Very nice. Spoke too soon. Rhapsody. Next is Six Banger by Hot Shot. 6 shots, 8 over 1, or excuse me, sorry, 4 over 1. We had to pack this with as much powder as we could fit in there. This is 6 Banger. In addition to a big report, those backs are nice and full of stars. So that was 6 Banger by Hot Shot. Bamboozle, another new one for 2016. Is a 42 shot, 6 over 1. Bamboozle. Variety from Bamboozle. The next big thing is the 20 shot, pack 6 over 1. The next big thing. That was the next big thing. Righteous. The next one on the list is 16 shots by 4 over 1. Righteous. That was Righteous. Another American patriotic themed item is USA. An 18 shot, pack 4 over 1. USA. Kevin makes a point. Look loud, USA. Light Brigade. Got the next point. Light Brigade was a 42 shot. Got 6 over 1. Ethanol by Hot Shot, the 25 shot, 500 gram. By 4-1. This one features a unique effect called the pouring roller. That was only fitting for this game. Okay, that was Ethanol. Next up is Policewoman. We ordered this last year. It came in late. Had a surprise label on it. If you order it, the box says fresh colors. But Policewoman, 16 shot 500. Here it is, guys. Next up, another new one for this year is Hit the Road Jack. A 49 shot, 4/1, 500 gram. Hit the Road Jack. Nice pacing of that. Hit the road jack. Another new Hot Shot item is Grand Old Flag by Hot Shot. I'm thinking myself. But anyway, that's a 28 shot, 4/1. Starts off with a 1-inch tube and base gun. Nice hard finale for Grand Old Flag. All red, white, and blue. Sunshine States. Made arrival last year. Let's see if you can guess why it's called Sunshine States. Chinese have gotten very good with their colors. That's beautiful orange and Sunshine State. Speaking of colors, Crimson Skies is a 24 shot, pack 4/1, 500 grams. Crimson Skies. I believe we just moved on to Can't Touch This. That was Hang on a second. That was all Crimson Skies, I guess. Very good, nice cake. Can't touch this. Next on the list. Can't touch this. All right, take that back. That was Crimson Skies and Can't Touch This. Big Orange. Next page at the top, Big Orange. Staff favorite. This is Big Orange. Next up is Sweet Spot. 30 shot, 500 gram, type 4/1. Sweet Spot. These technical difficulties. Sweet Spot will be the next item. Eruption of neon colors. That was Sweet Spot. Crazy Joe, a 9 shot, 500 grams, type 4/1. Crazy Joe. Big rigs. Wind Up. 36 shot, 4/1. Wind Up. finale. That was Wind Up. Yowza, 21 shot, 500 grams, new for 2016. If Barb Walton or anyone from her family is with us, you have a prize to claim here. Yowza. Very impressive case. That was Yowza. America the Brave, a 30 shot, 500 gram pack 2 in a case, 2/1. America the Brave. Intense, powerful, very pretty. That was America the Brave. Not just good, but great. With 7 shots, 3-inch tube, 2/1. Very good. That was not just good, but great. Roundup Ready, we've redesigned. Used to be a 12 shot, now it is a 9 shot. Roundup Ready.
Here, put it in there.
I'm good, actually.
Need a blanket.
I'm good, thank you.
Come here. No, here.
Next up is Double Knockout. That was Double Knockout. Killer Kong, the 3-inch 9-shot rat at 2/1. Killer Tom. It's a Brocade reel with a red strobing waterfall piston. Very beautiful.
Let's find them. They're over here.
Almost a display fireworks effect. Very pretty. One thing I'd like to say about the majority of these cakes tonight have held up to the wind pretty well. You can see everything getting blown off to the southwest. Knockout Brocade, another 3-inch 9-shot. Pack 2/1. Knockout Brocade. Beautiful, nice, thick, symmetrical grades. Knockout Brocade. And before we go, just want to say thank you again to everyone for coming, bearing with us this evening. Wonderful to see everyone again. We will be around for a couple of minutes. Otherwise, I will talk to you Monday. Big Game is a 168-shot zipper cake. Big Game. Last year, this one didn't fire the way it was supposed to. Let's hope it does right this year. There we go. Thanks again. Drive safe. And we hope to hear from you soon. God bless.